Is that you doing it for real? Jeez. Good morning, everyone. Darren here with American Pool and Spa. Just want to come to you guys. We're doing a delivery again. Once again, it's another wonderful Friday. You should have been on the last delivery. Had some adventures. You'll see that on #PoolGuys here coming up. Also, want to let you know that this customer here took advantage of our August Happiness Happens month in August, where he took advantage of the 0% for 60 months on the spas. So follow along, watch us. It's not going to be as exciting as it was last week, but there still will be a lot of things going on. So come on, check us out.
Going on adventures, #PoolGuys.
A HotSpring Flair has been loaded up onto the spa dolly and is out for delivery. This month was the signatures.
Perfect time. What's up, dude?
This month was the signature 0% for 60 months deal that you may have seen Darren's promotional video for.
Hey everyone, Darren here with American Pool and Spa, and I'm here to tell you that we're bringing it back. We're bringing back Happiness Happens month with our truckload sale that offers 0% for 60 months financing on all of our Hot Springs models. That's right.
Once the spa makes it to its destination, the next stage is unloading the spa, traveling around the customer's yard on a hill and then through a fence. We of course will come out in advance and measure fences and other obstacles that could make the delivery process difficult. Once we get the spa dolly onto your back patio area, hold on, I'll be right back. Once we get the spa dolly onto your back patio area, we maneuver the spa around so it's facing the correct way for your control panel, cabinets, and cover lifter. We position it and then ease it into place. Sometimes additional adjustments are required. This customer got an Ace saltwater system with his purchase, so Darren had a few components to hook up. The Ace saltwater system in essence provides an additional 80% of the chemicals required by the spa on a regular basis in terms of water filtration and redistribution back into the spa. Think chlorine, bromine, alkalinity and pH managers, and loose body oil dissolvers.
Which Hot Springs, if you've heard me say previously, is the only company that allows for a salt system that can be controlled through your top panel. It's not like a aftermarket where you actually have to cut your plumbing, glue it into your plumbing and do all that stuff for an external salt system. That does not work very well. With Hot Springs, they have done extensive research and also testing, so you do get the greatest water experience that is possible out there for a hot tub.
A requirement for the Ace system to begin working properly to start off is that your water's hardness, aka minerals at a microscopic level, need to be at 25 to 75 parts per million. When we deliver and install a spa, we use a product called On-the-Go Portable Water Softener. This will allow us to filter the water coming directly from your home's water line. The guys begin to piece together and attach the cover cradle and cover. These are key accessories in making sure a spa is well taken care of. A cover keeps things out of a spa when it's not in use, and a cover cradle allows the cover to be easily removed and placed back without potentially damaging it. Darren then educates the customer on the processes that need to take place and answers any relative questions on maintenance, cleaning, managing, and safety.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Now you can see we have the finished product. It's all set up. Looks wonderful out here on the customer's concrete deck. So I do want to go over a couple things with you. As you can see, they do have safety. The cover does have safety clips on it, okay? On this, it does help because it does get windy. Helps keep the safety secure and on the spa, so it doesn't flip up. It doesn't allow kids to get in for safety precautions as well. So on this, you would open the cover here. This customer also got the cover cradle, which is a wonderful, wonderful product that Hot Springs has. because it's the only cover in the industry where it actually screws in to the cover itself. So now what you would do is you flip half the cover back. There are clips on the back side, but for safety precautions we do not put the actual clips on. You do not need it. This is safe and secure. There's no way that you can lift this up. Once you do release the clips up front, you fold the cover up, then this is the easy part. It keeps the cover safe, keeps it up off the concrete, any kind of debris getting on it. Also, you don't want to be doing it when it's cold outside, getting out of the hot tub trying to lift this. So then all you do is you just pull it back, and then it lays back for your convenience to be up off the ground. Also, now you can get into your spa very quickly. Then when you are ready to get out, all you have to do is just push the cover lifter back up, fold the cover. Make sure you always keep the cover around it. Sometimes it does like to get up underneath. So make sure you do pull the flaps down and lock it in. And then guys, you can enjoy the hot tub experience through Hot Springs a whole lot easier. Buy with the cover cradle. Of course, you got the steps in the front to help get in and out. So hopefully you like the video. It's very informative on how our delivery goes, what we do offer between the ACE system, the cover cradle, not only just Hot Springs themselves, especially with their new design for 2018, their Limelight collection. So follow us on the hashtag PoolGuys. We are American Pool and Spa. Leave it to us. Just swim and relax.
And I dig that t-shirt.
Huh?
I dig that t-shirt.
Yeah, I was thinking about that earlier. I was just like, that looks really cool.
Oh yeah.
Good old Gandhi.
I spent a long time in the Marine Corps. Ended up with a bunch of silly shirts.
I appreciate your service, brother.